So let's begin by just taking a posture that feels grounded and centered, and just coming into our bodies, drawing the attention inward. Just take a minute to feel the settling and centering. Making a conscious choice to close the eyes if that feels comfortable. If you'd prefer to keep them open, just picking a spot to draw the attention to. And with the attention drawing inward, bringing specific attention to the breath, this body breathing. Feeling into that process of air coming in and coming out of the body. So much of our attention is drawn outward to the things around us, and this is a moment to allow the attention to really settle and draw more inward. Even noticing if it's possible to drop down from thinking about breathing and actually just experiencing this breath. Sometimes the process of settling can happen very quickly, and other times there can be some resistance. So just noticing the quality of this moment, noticing if there's anticipation or resistance or a sense of settling. Whatever's here, just allowing that to be here with also a directed intention to come back again and again to the breath. Feeling into that sensation. How do you know you're breathing? Where is it felt? Is there a specific point in the body that feels so prominent? Maybe the chest, the back of the throat, or the nose. Is there some area that the breath just feels so alive? Maybe it's the whole process of breathing, the rhythm, the ebb and flow. There could even be an audible sound of the breath. Just whatever the attention is being drawn to, just staying attentive and curious to that. Maybe even noticing the belly and the stomach, whether it's open and receiving or tight and clenched. If there's great resistance to having the breath be that anchor, center stage for the attention, just asking what else is being brought up or drawn to for the attention. Is there sounds or sensations in the body that feel more appropriate to have as that place to allow the attention to come back to? The anchor for the attention is less important as the quality of the experience that's happening right now for you. So if the breath feels grounding, centering, safe, keep that. The mind will wander anyways, so just allow that to be your home base. But if that's not the case and sounds or the sounds in the room feel more grounding, centering, and anchoring, then allow that to be the place where the attention comes back to. Just checking in and seeing what feels called for right now. Is the mind looking for something else to pay attention to, or is there something that feels centering and grounding to return to again and again? This open space allows for the mind to drift so easily. So if that's happened, just waking up to that moment, almost using it as a reset button, saying, where am I now? Can I come back to this moment in a particular way? Whether it's through the gateway of the breath, or sounds, or even sensations throughout the body, just continuing to stay connected to what feels present, truly here in this moment. If there's a sense of focused, awakenedness, or if there's a dull sense of distraction, just noting that means that you are truly here in this moment. So, checking in on effort. Am I trying too hard to follow instructions, or am I actually just listening to my own experience? Wherever you are right now in this moment, just check in with the body. Is it settled? Is there holding or contraction? Just scanning the posture, reorienting to this moment in a way that brings a sense of focused alertness, but also ease and settledness. And then returning back to that gateway to this moment, the doorway, the breath, sound, sensations, whatever's here. Can the attention be drawn into the stream of whatever is happening right now? Just as a stream flows and there's banks or sides to that stream, checking in with the edges and noticing, am I in the stream of what's happening right now? Has the mind fallen outside into what might have happened previously or what's to come? And just notice that preparing mind or dull mind or restless mind. Okay, so if the mind was there, can it be here now? Returning again and again to the present moment through the body, through sensations, sounds, this breath. Are you in the stream of right now? Or are you somewhere else? Waking up again and again and returning. Checking in with the quality of the attention. Checking in with the quality of the mind and the heart. Paying attention to this whole body, this body sitting in stillness or lying down. Taking a moment to feel into the sense of potential gratitude for this stillness, or possibly restlessness, or whatever is here. Can there be gratitude here too? As this practice begins to come to a close, just feeling into that transition, noticing, what does transition feel like? Are there thoughts? or sensations in the body that show up when the cue for transitioning arrives. Just staying connected to this whole experience, knowing that truly waking up can happen any time in the day that we remember to do it. And just staying connected to this process of transitioning back into the room, possibly feeling into the bigger environment, staying connected